amigos, it's Team Meza, and today we're going to make some chicken tacos, easy recipe from scratch. So we have here some ground chicken. And here we got some onion and green peppers. We got spinach and mushrooms. This is the stuff for our taco. We're going to melt the butter so we can cook our ingredients. And now we're going to add our ingredients, the onion and green pepper. And now we're going to mix it. Now we're going to add the chicken. Now we're going to add some garlic. Now we're going to add the mushrooms and the spinach. And we're going to mix it with the other ingredients. Now what we have is our chicken taco spices. If you guys don't have this spice, just add the salt, pepper, and paprika instead of this. So now we're going to put all of this in here. After you guys are done putting all of this on here, we're going to mix it with the ingredients. Try to spread it as much as you can, so you can get the spice all over everywhere in the chicken. Now we're going to add 1 teaspoon of paprika. Now mix. You can add chili powder if you guys want any types of spices you guys want to add, like, you know, this is for an extra spice. We're done now. We're going to leave our chicken for 15 minutes to rest. Now we're done waiting 15 minutes for it to rest. It will cool down, as you guys can see over here. So now we're going to create our taco. So we got the cheesy shell. As you guys can see, there's more obviously flavors like ranch and more. So we're going to put the stuff, which is the chicken, in the taco. Don't put a lot, guys, just put a good amount. Like this, put a good amount, you know, just to fill up the bottom. Then we got the lettuce, most important part of the taco. Put a bit, don't put a lot because we still have more ingredients. After you put the lettuce, put the tomato next. That's how you order it, because that's the best way. Onions. After you guys put onions, like put a good amount too, so you can taste the onions. Now, the cheese. Guys, don't forget to put the cheese. Here. Guys, you can put as much as you want cheese. To be honest, it depends if you like cheese or not. I love my cheese, so I like putting a good amount. This is a good amount. I'll tell you guys, this is sour cream. One of the best things. And guys, try to get this brand, Gale. It's actually amazing. Look, you guys, it's beautiful. Just put as much as you guys want. I like putting a good amount. I've already added some, but I want to put more because I like it. Guys, here. Guys, we're back at it again. Now we have our tacos all done. Now we're going to taste test it. Let's get it. Guys, the chicken tacos, I think might be better than the beef ones. Guys, you must have to try this. I have no words. Guys, if you want to know how to make many other types of tacos like Turkey might make next, share, like, and subscribe. And peace.